Alright, so now that we've got our wire stripped and twisted, I highly recommend using heat shrink tubing. Alright, so we're going to put this on here. This is kind of difficult with my phone here, but we'll see how this goes. Alright, the main thing is you want to keep polarity, especially with DC solenoids, which is what I'm working with right now on automotive. So we're going to go ahead and do one at a time. What you want to do is make sure they're nice and tight. That's the biggest thing. Clean and tight always with soldering and welding. Current or heat flow is a must. Now you can use any type of solder, but I like to use leaded because it has more flexibility. It's less likely to break under heat especially. And in this situation, leaded is better. I'm going to use a soldering gun because, well, it's faster. So, and as you watch, solder's melting. You go heat on one side, solder on the other, if you can do that. And then you just go down the wire. And boom. Boom. I don't like that. There we go. And that's how you solder a wire together. I'll do one on strip at some point. But I know a lot of people had questions about that. And then afterwards, we'll put that over it and then we'll use the heat gun.